welcome back everyone. I am very excited for this story that we are going to be reading today. This story is actually a story that my first grade class wrote when we were in first grade. So each of us had to pick a different animal, and then we had to write about the animal and draw a picture, and then my teacher made a book and put them all together. So each of the students in our class was able to get a book of all the animals that we had wrote about. So I'm really excited to share this story with you today. I'm going to share the first part of the story today and then the second half of the story tomorrow. So let's get started. Our story is called Our Favorite Animals, written and illustrated by Mrs. Dahl's class, Spring Garden Elementary School in 1999. So I was in first grade in 1999. I know that sounds so far away, but yeah, I was in first grade then. And this is our book that we wrote. So 3 students were chosen to draw their pictures on the front. There's a tiger, there's a dolphin, and there's a little rabbit down here. I'm going to give you a hint of who that was. I was chosen to draw my rabbit down here, and I wrote about rabbits, so we will actually read my part of the story tomorrow. So let's get started. If you see sticky notes down here, it's covering the person's name who wrote it, because I didn't ask them if we could read this story. So just to protect them and so no one knows who they are, I put sticky notes there. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are cats that live in Africa. Farmers trap and kill the cheetahs because they try to eat their cattle. Cheetahs have 1 to 6 cubs. Cubs fight when they are little. Cheetahs chirp and hiss. Cheetahs are really good hunters. Cheetahs have long legs so they can run fast to get prey like antelope and small animals. A cheetah has a grassy home to live in. A cheetah has a slender body and a small head. There are not many cheetahs left. Cheetahs are good animals. As you can see, Kira's wanting to read the story too. And the students in our class actually drew these pictures in art class, so that's pretty cool. Dogs. I love dogs. Dogs like to chew things. They like to hide. They are good hunters. They are fun to play with. Dogs like to play with ropes and balls. Dogs like to chase cats, raccoons, and squirrels. Dogs are cute and fuzzy. Dogs like to walk and run with people and other dogs. Dogs are different colors like yellow, black, white, and brown. Dogs like bones. They like to sleep. They are funny animals when they roll with people and with other dogs. Dogs like to catch frisbees and sticks. Dogs eat dog food. Dogs are furry animals. Dogs like to bark. Dogs have tails. Dogs are great animals. Another page about dogs. There are hundreds of breeds of dogs like Rottweilers and Old English sheepdogs and Akitas. There are other sporting dogs, house dogs, and sometimes you can see a wild dog like a fox. Some dogs are stronger swimmers than others. Labs are better swimmers than dachshunds. Some dogs need to be groomed to keep them healthy. There are different sized dogs. Some dogs are mean and some are not. Dogs have their own shapes. They need a shot to keep them nice. They have different fur. Pet dogs need care. Killer whales. Killer whales can grow from 28 to 32 feet. Killer whales are black or deep brown with white patches. Killer whales need to breathe air. Killer whales eat fish, squid, marine birds, and seals. Killer whales live in groups called pods. Killer whales like colder water. Killer whales are the largest members of the dolphin family. Killer whales communicate by clicking sounds. Killer whales are good mammals. I wish I could go on a boat to see killer whales. Gorillas. Gorillas are good animals. Gorillas hit their chests when they are angry. They weigh 500 pounds. Their family groups are led by a silverback. They have opposable thumbs. Gorillas live in the jungles. Gorillas are endangered. Gorillas live for 35 years. Gorillas are primates. We know that 3 kinds still exist. A gorilla named Coco can do people's sign language. Gorillas live in Africa. They usually eat bugs and fruits. Gorillas are cute. Tigers. Tigers are powerful felines. Tigers hunt in pairs for food. Tigers eat meat like deer, wild pigs, antelope, and cattle. There are 2 kinds of tigers. A tiger may weigh 500 pounds. Tigers are good swimmers. Tigers can jump long distances. Tigers live in Asia. Tigers can roar. Tigers can be captured and put in zoos or trained to perform in a circus. Tigers. Tigers are endangered animals because people are trying to kill them. Some tigers live in India and some live in China. Tigers run 30 miles per hour. Tigers are the biggest cat on earth. Sometimes tigers fight to keep their territory. Some tigers only live in one territory. Carnivores mean that they are meat eaters. Predators means that they hunt for their food. They eat wild pigs, deer, monkeys, and frogs. Cubs live with their moms for 2 years. They have sharp claws as long as your fingers. When it's hot, they go into the water to cool themselves off. Stalking means that they follow and they jump on their prey. They have sharp teeth to eat their dinner. Yellow-naped Amazon parrots. I like yellow-naped Amazon parrots. They live in South America where it is hot. They are the best talkers of all the parrots. They can lay 2 to 4 eggs. They have green bodies and yellow napes. Their beaks are dark gray. A baby parrot will have dark eyes. When they grow up, their eyes turn orange. They eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They like to get sprayed with water. They have 4 toes on each foot. Yellow-naped Amazon parrots make great pets. Dolphins. I like dolphins. Dolphins are friendly because they let people ride on them. There are 40 different kinds of dolphins. They eat fish and squid. They can swim and jump in the water. They can be blue or gray. They have blowholes on their backs. They can do funny tricks. They have flippers to help them swim in the water. They are mammals because they have warm blood. Their tails are called flukes. They are very smart. Some dolphins live in the ocean. A group of dolphins is called a school. Dolphins are nice animals. And we are going to stop there for today, and we will read the rest of our story tomorrow. So make sure you come back because my story is going to be tomorrow. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.